In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Illustrator Error 501 step by step. This is a common problem that appears when you're installing Illustrator or updating it through Adobe Creative Cloud. The error usually means the installation failed because a file that Illustrator needs is currently being used by another application or background process on your computer. When that happens, the installer can't replace or modify the file, so it stops and throws the error 501 message. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix once you know what's causing it. In this guide, I'll walk you through several simple fixes that work on both Windows and macOS so you can get Illustrator installed or updated without any issues. Make sure to watch until the end because the final fix solves the problem if the Creative Cloud installer itself is corrupted. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into the first fix. The most common cause of Illustrator Error 501 is a background process that is locking Adobe files while the installer is trying to run. To fix this, we need to close those processes manually. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Processes tab and scroll through the list of running apps and background processes. Look for anything related to Adobe. Some common ones include Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe CEF Helper, Adobe Update Service, or other Adobe background services. Right-click on any Adobe-related process and click End Task. This will immediately close the process and release any locked files that may be interfering with the installation. After ending the tasks, try running the Illustrator installation or update again from the Creative Cloud app and see if the error disappears. If you're using a Mac, the process is very similar. Press Command and Space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Type Activity Monitor and press Enter. When Activity Monitor opens, look through the list for Adobe processes or unnecessary background apps. Select them and click the Force Quit button at the top of the window. Closing these processes ensures no Adobe files are being used during the installation process. If the error still appears, the next fix is extremely simple but surprisingly effective, and that is restarting your computer. A restart closes hidden background services, clears temporary system locks, and releases files that might still be in use by the system. After restarting your computer, open Adobe Creative Cloud again and try installing or updating Illustrator one more time. In many cases, this alone resolves error 501. Another thing that can trigger this error is antivirus software, firewall tools, or VPN applications. These programs sometimes scan or lock files while they are being installed, which interrupts the Adobe installer. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus software or VPN connection before running the Illustrator installation again. Once the installation finishes successfully, you can safely enable your security software again. If none of those fixes work, the issue might be caused by a corrupted Creative Cloud desktop app. In that case, the best solution is to completely reinstall the Creative Cloud application. First, download the Adobe Creative Cloud uninstaller from Adobe's official website. Run the uninstaller and remove the Creative Cloud desktop app from your system. After the uninstall finishes, restart your computer. Then download a fresh copy of the Creative Cloud installer from Adobe and install it again. This replaces any broken installer services that may have been causing error 501. For Windows users, there is one more advanced fix you can try if the error continues. Sometimes leftover files from failed installations remain on your computer and block new installs. You can manually remove old Adobe folders by navigating to the Program Files directory and deleting leftover Adobe folders. The path usually looks like C:\programfiles\Adobe. Another option is to use the official Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, which removes leftover files and registry entries automatically. After cleaning these remnants, restart your computer and run the Illustrator installation again. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Adobe Illustrator Error 501 during installation or updates. One of these methods should allow the installer to run without any file conflicts so you can get back to using Illustrator normally. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick software fixes, troubleshooting guides, and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.